that you really want it. I fulfill your fantasies. I see that you catching the vibe. Just know that I'm ready to ride. I'm always ready to slide. Baby, only if I slide on you. Yeah. Now, baby, tell me what it is. I'm trying to give you the beat.
What's up, y'all? I'm Dub. And that's Days. So she been asleep the whole trip, y'all. She's supposed to been the one vlogging over here, but we traveling to Panama Beach, Florida from Atlanta, so you know it's probably about a 4.5, 5 hour drive. So we jump in the whip and we headed that way. But somebody been asleep the whole time. But check it. We're gonna kick it, man. We're gonna have a lot of stuff going on. If y'all haven't subscribed, do that somewhere down there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what it is. But, Days, you got anything to say? Nothing. Okay, y'all, she ain't got nothing to say. So look, y'all just stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Dub and Days, Panama Beach, Florida. Vlog. Finna be lit. Let's turn up. So we can't even get out of Alabama good because why?
That's not because of me.
I didn't say because of me. No. We found a Sonic, y'all. And we haven't had Sonic ever since. It's been a while. Baby, you liking the road trip so far? You don't like driving and riding?
No, I like it. I'm just ready to make it.
You anxious?
No, really. Just ready to get out the car.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sleepy.
Oh, you better wake up. Y'all, look, she really ain't had no rest since she had the baby. So she been just really asleep. You tired? You probably gonna fall asleep on the beach.
I'm sure.
Gonna come back looking like a baked chicken.
Where's that stuff at anyway?
It's back there. I put it all back there. But look, y'all, we didn't want too much. Just letting y'all know we had to stop at Sonic.
How long was that?
So let me look at the GPS. Y'all can see my still got an hour 41 minutes. Say we'll make it there about 3:50. Y'all see we bumping. Cause I'm gonna knock it. I'm gonna knock them boots tonight, y'all. For sure. But y'all see what it is, man. We had to stop at Sonic, get us a little something. We've been to Sonic and McDonald's. That's sad.
And the gas.
Oh yeah, and the gas station. Cause look, they don't have hot and spices in Atlanta, so we had to get a hot and spicy for sure. But look, we be back. Y'all know what it is, Dub and Days. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna check out the Airbnb. We just made it here at Panama Beach, Florida. Panama City Beach, Florida.
Thank you.
Here we go. Alright, thank you. So you first come in, it's like a look down the area. Y'all already see what you want. I'm gonna be on this all weekend. You feel what I'm saying? Nice little, it's nice. It's nice, a little beach house. You got the kitchen, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see, y'all know what time it is. They got some okay.
We gonna always have the hookah.
Oh, okay. Hey, I think it's complimentary, you hear me? Booyah, I'm not drinking this. I am not drinking it. Alright, So look, check it. Y'all come on this way. It's like the little front room, living room area. That's where the kicking spot gonna be at, you know what I'm saying? It's nice, I like this. And then
Go ahead, you still walking around, go ahead.
I'm trying to see what else I need to show them.
Just go ahead.
Show them everything?
Yeah, this is the table, y'all.
Come on out here, come on out here.
The dining room.
Y'all come on out here, come on out here. Let's get
No, you gotta show the other part first. That's last.
Alright, y'all come on right here. It's the bathroom, you know. They got the turtles and shit in here, you know. Look nice, you know. Baby, mask right here, don't forget that. Nice shower. Alright. No, you go that way. You go that way. I'm gonna meet you. Yeah, we back. You feel me? So you go to the bedroom. Yeah. That's why all the magic happened. You know. All the.
Open the curtains.
Let me see. Early in the morning, you know, we're gonna get up. Am I open there? No. You know, got the people by the pool. Come check them out down here.
Can't see it. It's so dark. I mean, so bright.
Let's fix the brightness on here. We got it right here. We got the people at the pool. They kicking it in. Look, y'all, we right there by the beach. Boom. All right, baby. Take them to the balcony. Let's go. Right there, y'all feel me? Yeah, so we out here this weekend. Panama City Beach, Florida. Dub and Daisies here.
Wonder why they bitchin' the day me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth. Fuck with you, I'm gon' fuck it up. Get the records, I pop with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love, baby girl. Parasailing, 2019. For the link, I'm stuck in a dream. Started here, list like it's 2014. I got a ice on me, super saline. Fathers came in off a hunt. Yeah, my niggas still trippin' for fun. Didn't know I was the one. Still got niggas on the run.
Left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No.
I know the time it is, Dub and Daisies. Baby, you looking good. Damn. Ooh. We finna go to a restaurant. We got reservations at 8 o'clock. Firefly? Firefly. We're in Panama City Beach, Florida, you know what I'm saying, for the weekend. Just a little getaway. And like I said, man, y'all subscribe, man. Dub and Daisies on YouTube. Y'all know what it is. Y'all see how baby looking. Jeez. She gonna get something tonight, y'all. Well, I'm gonna get something, whichever one is, you know. However y'all feel.
Why are you saying that?
That's how I feel. Nah, but for real though, no cap. We just here to have a good time, man. Vibe with each other. Like I said, we ain't been out, man, in so long. So it's necessary that we get out and do what we gotta do, man. We make enough money. Just gotta have a good time, you feel what I'm saying? But Firefly, we on our way. I want some lamb chops. That's all. What you
That was on me.
It's on the menu, man. Yeah.
Is you recording?
Yes. I'm not recording your booty though, baby. Relax. Yeah, that's that big boy that just crunk up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, we on our way to Firefly. We looking good, smelling good, but you smelling so good. Jeez.
Smell me too.
I smell you, yes.
I gotta eat a tuna.
What is that? That's the Versace? I know what that smell like. Look, y'all check it out. We on our way.
Alright, y'all, it's 7:30. We're headed to the restaurant to eat. Reservations at 8, but I'm hoping they let us in. What, we almost there?
About 4 minutes.
So yeah, I'm hoping they let us in early because I'm starving.
Your boy hungry.
I'm starving. It seemed like we ain't ate all day, but we done ate.
Like a couple times.
So
like we stopped like 3 times. Like
we stopped at Sonic, we stopped at McDonald's, we stopped at the gas station. We even bought sandwiches to eat on the road, and we ate those.
Yeah, I think I got 1 sandwich left.
I think I got like 2. But it's still not, it feel like we empty.
Yeah, like I'm on E. But it's really that liquor, like them shots, man. I can take all of that away.
Yeah, we done took a few shots. We done smoked a little hookah. Y'all seen that. We done kicked it, got dressed. We finna go eat when we get back. We got a video to shoot. And then
we're gonna vlog some more.
We're gonna keep vlogging, but we got a video. So y'all can get 2 videos from this trip.
Right, actually 3.
2 on this channel, 1 on his channel. So y'all can get 3 videos from this trip. So we're gonna shoot a video after dinner. Then after that, we'll just see
where it go.
Where it go from there. We don't have no more plans tonight. And then in the morning, we got some stuff planned. So we're just gonna take y'all along with us the whole ride.
So y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all gotta make sure y'all subscribe, man.
What is this, a water park?
That look nice.
They look like for kids.
Yeah, it do.
I wouldn't dare get on there. I don't care who it's for.
Facts, I would.
I know you. Yes, the water park.
I'll be sliding down it like Retribution.
I'm not. I don't.
You want to see him? Right.
Yeah, I don't play with water. I'm scared of water. I don't like it. It's just not for me. I get on any ride, any roller coaster, but if it got water with it, can't do it.
I'll be on there like, how you doing?
And I be wanting to do it. They got another broken egg.
Right there? Wanna go there in the morning?
We can.
Before we do the other joint?
If I wake up.
Lord.
Y'all, we doing the video tonight, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it in the morning.
We got an appointment at 10:30 in the morning. And Deja is very late about everything.
I'm not.
Most of the things, baby.
I'm late. I don't be late.
Put it like this: if you have to do your hair and makeup, and
I don't be late.
If you get up at a certain time and have to do your hair and makeup, we're done.
Well, I'm not doing it tomorrow because we're going to the beach anyway. Great. We're going to the beach tomorrow, so I'm not doing no makeup at all. I'm not doing no makeup no more while we here after tonight. I only did makeup tonight because we put on clothes. But for the beach, I'm gonna sweat that off anyway. So I'm not doing no makeup no more. And even if I was doing my makeup, I would wake up earlier or just not do it because I know after tonight I might not make it on time.
Where am I going? What is the?
It must be in this little.
That's what I'm saying.
You might have to go right here. They just got that blocked out for some reason. Right. It must be something going on.
They got a festival.
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff around here.
It is. It's nice.
New York style pizza. I need to see how late they open. Cause I know I'm gonna need some.
You gonna need some of that.
I'm gonna need some. You gonna need
some of that. For sure.
Yeah, I need that. Comment down below which one y'all prefer, New York style or Chicago style. What you like? I say New York.
I've been to Chicago and I've been to New York. I would have to say New York.
New York.
New York pizza is the best.
Chicago is just too much. It's too thick. I just can't do it.
I don't know. It's just something about it. I can't do it.
It's just too much for me to eat. I can't do it.
Nah.
But New York
is like, it's just right. But I think you like the New York because it's thin too.
Yeah, I know that's where I like it. Yeah,
but like even with the thin, it didn't seem.
They got a seafood house. We should have got it over here. Where is our
Firefly, right here.
We should have got
it. It was thin, but it wasn't thin enough like Pizza Hut thin.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And then they give you a big, they give you a big slice of it. So
New York style all the way. If you choose Chicago, I'm judging you.
For sure.
That's canceled. Are these some better hotels and stuff over here on the beach?
Right. And this is our first time coming here, so we just.
Yeah, I haven't been to Panama. I've been to Pensacola, Destin.
Right.
I haven't been to Miami.
We're going to Miami soon, so y'all.
Very soon. Stay tuned.
I haven't been to Vegas.
I've been to Vegas, but we're
going to Vegas soon. Y'all stay tuned.
Too.
Stay tuned, cause it's up. And it's stuck. Man, you looking good.
I could dance like Michael Jackson. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too freaked up.
Let's look at here, it's dope. Why we got masks on?
I feel stupid.
I know, look.
They probably like, look at them, they want to be so confident.
Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what?
I've been moving, trying to start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me.
Her dress pulled up in the back and all her booty out.
So what you saying, cut for? They ain't gonna ever see it.
You gonna know where to take it. Alright, y'all. In the words of my brother-in-law, what time is it? Shot o'clock.
Shit.
We finished.
You take me a little too fast, huh?
You good? Okay. That's sour as hell.
Yeah, it's taking me too fast.
Come on, man. You gotta get back on rotation. Try that one. Yeah. Look how big my shot is compared to you.
That's you.
You done? You gonna throw up?
All right, I'm ready.
Let's get it. Come on, ready. What's wrong? Look how big that shot is, y'all.
Pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my hands. When I'm sober, I just...
What's good, y'all? I'm here to get the massages. Filling out a little paperwork. You ready, babe? Hello? I said, you ready? Now she want her whole body done.
That's the back.
Yeah, that's booty and all, though. Legs and all.
Oh. Yeah, do all that.
You want it all?
Back, shoulders.
Mm-hmm. Just circle everybody on there. But yeah, y'all know what it is, man. I'm finna go ahead and get butt naked. Get that massage. I can't wait. Y'all see what time it is. Why your middle finger up? No, I can see them draws. Y'all know what time it is. I'm finna get ready here. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. We'll be back soon. She can barely walk. Oh, Lord. Yes, sir. Y'all check it. That was a good time. That was a real good time right there. Oh, Lord. Yes, sir! Woo.
But after that, you gonna feel good. You gotta work that soul on this end.
Look, y'all. Look who on our camera. Hey, Steinbug. Hey, Dada Steinbug. Y'all see what's going on at the beach. It's drink time. That's it's up in the sky. called sharks. Y'all see what Deja doing. What the hell?
Shit, after the Parasailing, we sit out there, take some pictures and shit, I'm done. I'll be drunk too. I gotta get drunk before we get there.
Hell no.
Why?
Why would you get drunk?
Why not? It's gonna make it fun. I'm gonna be scared.
Don't like who I am. Hold me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I can see clearly when
Y'all look. How was your experience on the parasailing, babe? You done it, did you? Mm-hmm. Would you go again?
Yeah, I'll do it again.
You gonna do it like the way you are? You gonna go next time like hella drunk?
I think it's when we got up the highest.
Mm-hmm. And then we had to take a boat ride to the boat to get home. So that was dope. That was cool. One more time. Don't take you too fast? Okay. Well, look, y'all, we still out here at the beach. Y'all know what it is, Dubbin Days. Forever in Jacoya voice. You good now?
I'm tired now.
You ready to go to the room?
Not right now. I'm tired.
Get the lick out. It's up.
Okay, this is an easy one. You got this.
All right.
Name 3 things you can't buy in a supermarket.
Weed, pussy, and a nigga.
No, you didn't even get it, so come on.
Man, you can't do that, man. I got that, man.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No.
You with the laughing, man. You be trying to distract me. God.
Here. Push that X on there. I don't want to review that. I ain't gonna get it.
Pour the shot.
Come on.
Oh, your shot right now.
No, let me do it.
You might get it. In 5 seconds, name 3 objects that start with the letter T.
A tennis ball, a turkey, and tuna. I got this, so stop playing.
Hell nah, an object is like a table.
No,
a tablecloth.
An object is anything.
No, man. Food ain't no object.
Okay, you got this.
they try to put me in. I can see clearly when you're on myself. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I
We made it to the pool.
I tell you.
Well, yeah, we tried the pool. It was too cold. So we made it to the hot tub.
I don't do them pools.
Whatever.
I go jump in the right
Y'all, it's so pretty out here. Look.
Panama City Beach. If I get your phone with you, gonna be mad.
Yes, you need to hold it on the bag. Put
I
your
am.
front fingers in there.
Whoa, relax.
All right. And you got it too close to the water. Pick it up.
Why is she so pressed?
You should have brought your phone. That's why I'm so pressed.
Why is she so pressed?
All right. I ain't saying nothing. You break it. I mean, you get it wet. Just know. I'm waiting till the new iPhone come out, and I want it as soon as it drops. You showed them the sunset?
Yeah.
The water is up. I mean, Yeah, we got Jello shots. What you say?
The place you called earlier?
I don't know. Yeah, we walking down the strip. I don't remember what it was called. I'm finna try and see if they strong. I like mine super strong. I like to taste the alcohol in mine.
Yeah, I don't.
Why?
Hell no.
You supposed
I
to.
want them motherfuckers to sneak up on me.
Not with 2.
With 2.
It's not gonna sneak up on you with 2. If it sneak up on you, you gotta take like 12. I'll be the judge.
You can take alcohol.
I can't. Yeah, it's good, but it ain't what I want. I like to taste the vodka.
Good to me.
Yeah, we walking to go get some seafood.
Stay in 5 minutes.
Damn.
I said, bro. It was 9-minute walk. We just walking. This the vibe we want right here.
We about to go get some crab legs.
If they pack, I'm gonna walk the whole 9 minutes back.
With no food.
No food. No biscuits.
No. I'm gonna wait for my crab legs. They probably gonna be nasty anyway, but I thought somebody threw something out the truck.
Listen, man, nobody ever do anything to you while I'm away. If they do, I'm come to see them.
They ain't do nothing to me.
I know. I'm on that
Y'all
drunk.
getting dark out here.
I'm on that drunk shit and I beat anybody's ass right now.
All right, bye, y'all. Well, y'all, we got our seafood. We eating outside.
I wonder if they got the cocktail sauce.
They moan.
Go ahead.
No, I don't want that.
I do. Go ahead. They have cocktail.
I'll let y'all know how it tastes. It look all right. Well, y'all, we headed home. You got something to say? Yeah, he made his phone not work no more. It is 9:33. What time we got up this morning? 7:45. And we're on the road. We got about 4 hours and 30 minutes to get home. I'm tired and I'm hungry. And somebody better give me some food. Real soon.
I ain't stopping.
You lying. Anyway. Y'all, it was a good weekend.
Until today.
I don't like your energy.
Oh man, my phone, man.
But y'all, it was a good weekend.
For sure.
Really needed it. I still feel tired. It was relaxing, but I need some more sleep.
Yeah, me too.
So, this is the
Bears?
end of the vlog. Huh?
Oh no, I just seen the sign said some bears out here. Oh, it's time for me to go.
What they gonna do to you?
They might run across the road or
Okay,
something.
then you stop. Anyway, this wraps up the vlog. I don't know what videos is coming. Yes, I do. I'm lying. We're vlogging next weekend. And we're gonna vlog the weekend after that. I'm going back home next weekend, and then the weekend after that we got a trip to go on. So y'all getting 2 more vlogs. So y'all have 3 vlogs in 3 weeks. A vlog a week. Right?
Actually, 4 videos.
Well, you'll have 4 videos, you're right. 3 vlogs and then we have another video. Are we gonna post that? that first.
Okay.
So y'all will have a video before this one, and then 3 vlogs after. And then after that, we'll see. We got a housewarming party coming up. We got to vlog that. We have to. And we ain't been on YouTube in a minute, so for those who don't know, we got a new baby, a new house,
A new truck.
a new truck. So it makes so much noise and don't move. No, but we're gonna try to get better, being more consistent with these videos. We just had a lot of stuff going on, and now we're more
y'all pray
focused.
for my phone.
Whatever, we're not worried about that phone. We're focused now. I'm gonna start a YouTube. Subscribe to his YouTube channel, Dope Hustle Productions.
Gang.